First and foremost, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now is the perfect time to do so. By the end of this video, make sure to give it a resounding thumbs up. However, Tesla's ambitions extend far beyond electric vehicles alone. The company is also making significant investments in renewable energy with a new factory in Shanghai dedicated to producing mega packs. What makes Tesla rise above the rest? How are they able to sustain their operations? How can the answers to these questions affect your financial decisions? Future is bright for Tesla as it enters the energy storage industries. In this fascinating article, we'll examine Tesla's bold goals, examine the benefits of its new factory in China, and see how the business beats out rivals. Tesla has set a lofty aim for itself: 20 million deliveries by 2020. If they succeed in this ambitious goal, they would hold a commanding 24% of the market and establish themselves as the industry leader. Tesla has painstakingly drawn out a roadmap that includes slashing costs by half through the elimination of powertrain, battery, and general assembly costs. The company also intends to open a new manufacturing facility in Nuevo Leon, Mexico. At a specific location, Tesla stands to gain a number of favorable advantages. Having access to a trained labor force and saving money on labor expenses is one major advantage. While lower labor costs boost cost effectiveness, the availability of competent personnel guarantees Tesla can continue to produce goods of a high caliber. Another benefit comes from the chosen location's closeness to important trade routes. This tactical placement improves Tesla's logistical effectiveness by enabling more efficient vehicle distribution and transportation. Along with ensuring prompt client deliveries, the optimized supply chain reduces delays by manufacturing cars in Mexico. As an incentive for customers to effectively offset a portion of the cost of purchasing a Tesla, Tesla can take advantage of the 7,500 tax credit that is available to electric vehicle buyers in the United States. Tesla can maintain eligibility for this credit through their manufacturing operations in Mexico. Tesla is able to pass the savings on to its customers, increasing the affordability and attraction of their electric cars by exporting cars from their new Mexican plant. Operating in Mexico also gives an advantage due to the nation's several tariff arrangements with other Latin American countries. By taking advantage of these treaties, which led to duty-free trade or lower tariffs, Tesla is able to sell its products to clients in Latin American markets like Brazil at a more competitive price. Overall, it looks like Tesla made a wise decision to open a new manufacturing facility in Mexico by taking advantage of cost savings and broadening their market reach. By doing this, they're setting themselves up for long-term growth and success, which has attracted the attention of numerous investors, have high hopes for the firm's future and a bullish attitude about its prospects. At Tesla's recent investor day, the company demonstrated the caliber of its management, ability that gave many stakeholders peace of mind. Notably, Tesla is not exclusively reliant on Elon Musk as its CEO. The much-awaited Cybertruck is expected to launch this year and has received an astounding 1.3 million orders. The Cybertruck is expected to have a monumental impact if Tesla is able to launch it this year and deliver 200 units the following year. This could translate into a value of about 40 cents per share. Additionally, Tesla's energy business serves as another growth driver with revenues from energy generation and storage of $801 million. Certain analysts have an exceptionally positive perspective regarding this industry. By 2023, Tesla Energy might bring in about $20 billion in revenue and $8 in gross profit, according to investor Gary Black. This is a substantial prediction. According to a new analysis by Kanakaki Annuity, milestone investors should keep a close eye on the enormous prospects that Tesla has ahead of it as it continues to pave the road towards a sustainable future. Tesla was praised for being a sustainable Tesla behemoth, hailed for its extraordinary accomplishments in the fields of solar and energy storage platforms, has emerged as a major player in the clean energy and electric vehicle industries. Right? The report highlighted Tesla's bright future ahead of it with a strong balance sheet. The company's strong financial position means that it is well positioned to weather any future economic downturns. Tesla is a trustworthy and safe investment choice, enhancing the faith of investors in the company's future prospects. Acknowledging the growing significance of renewable energy, offering a wide variety of solar and energy storage products is Tesla's main goal. As part of their strategic expansion ambitions, they're dedicated to offering clean energy solutions that meet a range of client needs. This move represents a significant step towards expanding its footprint in China's thriving market. Tesla recently announced the establishment of a factory in Shanghai that will be exclusively dedicated to producing their revolutionary Megapack batteries. The facility is scheduled to break ground in the third quarter of this year and begin production in the second quarter of 2024. Tesla aims to manufacture an impressive 10,000 Megapack units annually for distribution worldwide. This choice emphasizes China's strategic significance and Tesla's global expansion plan. By contributing over a quarter of Tesla's revenue in 2022, China is presently the business's second largest market. The company plans to further solidify its position in China with the construction of the new factory. By leveraging the enormous market potential, Tesla is strengthening its position as a major player in the area and meeting the growing demand for clean energy solutions and electric vehicles, which is in line with China's efforts to promote sustainability and environmental consciousness. Tesla became the first foreign automaker to own a wholly owned factory in China when it decided to build a gigafactory in Shanghai back in 2019. Since then, the company has successfully taken advantage of China's strong demand for electric vehicles and the nation's commitment to lowering carbon emissions. In addition to meeting local demand, the Shanghai plant, which primarily produces Model 3 and Model I vehicles, has become a major exporter of vehicles to other markets. In 2020 alone, over 30,000 Model I vehicles were exported from the Shanghai plant to Europe, bolstering Tesla's growth within China. Global sales data for Tesla due to the frequent power outages in China in 2021. There has been a recent increase in demand for grid storage batteries, which has created new markets for Tesla's energy storage products. New wind and solar farms are now required by law in certain regions to contain enough battery capacity to store a portion of the electricity needed to power this rising trend. Represents a significant opportunity for Tesla to expand its foothold in the energy storage market, further strengthening its position as a leader in renewable energy and battery storage solutions. For those unaware of the magnitude of this development, for Tesla, it's advisable to keep a close watch in the upcoming months. Your future appears exceedingly bright for the company's expansion into renewable energy and battery storage markets, with tremendous potential for future growth and innovation in the horizon. This demand is primarily fueled by the installation of electricity storage systems, and China happens to dominate the production of rechargeable batteries and the necessary chemical processes for their creation. But let's focus on Tesla's new factory in Shanghai, where they will be manufacturing megapacks that can store enough energy to power 3,600 homes for an entire hour. These batteries are not only cost effective, but also perfect for utility scale power storage, making them ideal solution for saving wind and solar energy for future use now. Why did Tesla choose Shanghai as the location for their new factory? Well, there are several reasons. China is a prime location for raising output and cutting costs due to its dominating battery supply chain and the rising political tensions between the US and China. Many US business owners are reluctant to make investments in the nation by taking use of China's battery supply network. President Biden's signed Inflation Reduction Act in the United States will incentivize the production of rechargeable batteries to meet the soaring demand for electric vehicles. Tesla's new factory will enable the company to meet the rising global demand for energy storage, even in the face of fierce competition from local giants like Warren Buffett-backed Biden NEO. Both the Chinese and Biden administrations recognize the significance of emerging technologies. The implementation of cost restrictions throughout the whole supply chain, especially for batteries, is necessary for truly affordable electric vehicles. This is in line with Tesla's ambitious ambition to sell 20 million vehicles annually by the end of the decade. That's all for this video. Please like and share it. And for those of you who want to stay up to date with Tesla's latest endeavors, be sure to check out our next video on your screen. If Musk is successful in bringing down the cost of batteries, Simon Moss, CEO of Benchmark Mineral Intelligence, believes that Tesla has a clear path to expansion. However, Musk is up against fierce competition from hungry rivals looking to take market share.